Shukor nakaslem jong unongsan Hima.
Usumbut Menteri Rangba Kejela ubak Preston tensong ulayat ho. Ba ula Bthah yaki Pulit ban twet yaki break badan keti ban Kynthoh deki kentin Pynshit. Kibala ban wanra ka jing skoya per hakaliang ka niam ni ke jat ban reu hakabaya dei bat ka Jingjia ha Mahadev Khola. Kani ka jing kren ubak Preston ka dei Halor ka jing Kynthoh ka wei ka kinhon yakabara tip kum ka Legal Rights Observatory kabala penwan ye ka Jingjia ha Mahadev Khola kum ka Jingjia namar ka niam. Dangshen kaladon ke Jingjia ha ketika jaka ha ka bakaladon ke huri-hura namar ke Jingjia nia ha ka wei ke dukan hapo ketika jaka ubak presto dulu ong ba ula Pulit yaki kaipot Halor ke Jingjia ha Mahadev Khola ka badai tang na ka daw jong ke Jingjia skong tho bakla ka barit bat kam don Jingjia dei ai ru em bat ka niam Henry ula ong baka ka bala pau ha girensan social media ka long baka wei ka seng ya kepada tip kum ke LRO kala penmi yaki jing Kynthoh mat shibon ke jing Pynshit bana kaliang jong ula Bthah yaki Pulit ban wat yaki break badan keti hagaban penmi ya kum gini ke jat jing Kynthoh bat la ya iru ya shibon ke jing Pynshit une sumbut Menteri Rangba ula ong baka jing lek kum ni kapau bagi break balik yaki ni kam ban Pynshit yaki waipat amikop bakin dei ginong song snong jong kari India namar ladaki dei kita kinong song snong jong kari kumno kinla ban chu Kynthoh kulmar kabala ban wanra pat ya ka jing kulmar bat ka jingbam ya sngoto jingmot kabala ru ban wanra ya ka huri-hura bat ka jingma hadin habut.
Yes, that incident happened in that Mahadev Khola. In fact, when I go all the detail, I found out that in fact it was only the small misunderstanding and it has got nothing to do religiously. It has got nothing to do with any particular religion. But you see in the social media, I've seen it. They are, and one so-called organization LRO, lot of comments they made. And now I've given the instruction to the police department, track these people. Who are these people? I've seen the comment they made so much, which I personally feel these people, they are not at all a true residents of India. If they are, they cannot just give such an irresponsible statement, which ultimately may lead to ethnic clashes, which ultimately may lead to religious conflict, which is so dangerous. So I've already instructed the police, and the police are on the job for this.